Here we go, guys. It's gonna be in the water.
The following is a flash flood warning from
Oh, they're just showing the FFW first. They might play the SBR later.
In Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Boone County in north central Illinois, northeastern Dutchow County in
I'm gonna stay up all night, keep catching alerts until
northern King
I'm
County
tired.
in northeastern Illinois, southern Lake Illinois County in northeastern Illinois,
Lake Illinois
southern
County.
McHenry County in northeastern Illinois,
What is
until
Lake Illinois
5:15
County?
a.m. At 12:15 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Storms are producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour, with isolated rates near 3 inches per hour.
Oh, wow.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban
way to be
areas,
specific,
highways,
Chicago.
streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie,
I need to make up a hot loss collection.
Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Park Ridge, and Northbrook. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Expect flooding of creeks, ditches, canals, and storm sewers, as well as
LOT, you've
roadways,
updated your flooding.
underpasses, and other poor drainage areas.
Oh, wow. It's gonna be no letter.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.
Oh.
KXI 50.